Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I created this look right here. It's perfect for Christmas or New Year's Eve. So even though I'm not going to be going to any parties, but still I created this look. I hope you like it. I've already moisturized my face, and for the foundation I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228. I'm just going to dot it all over my face and then blend it out with a beauty blender. I'm going to put a little bit more foundation since I need more coverage. For the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to put it under my eyes and again blend it out with a beauty blender. Then I'm using the Maybelline Compact Powder and I'm just going to set the concealer and my T-zone. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm just filling my eyebrows real quick. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. I'm taking this shade right here and put it in my crease. I'm blending the color in my crease in circular motions. Then I'm using this brown shade over here and I'm using a little flat brush which is also fluffy to blend with into my crease. I'm just going to apply it in the outer V and slowly blend in my crease. Then I'm taking this darker brown shade over here and doing the same steps again, but this time I'm going to put it in the outer V. Then I'm going to take the same blending brush I used earlier and just blending out the edges. Then I'm going to use this black shade over here and just put very little bit in the outer corner. And I'm using this brush to blend in my crease. Then I'm using the same black and brown shades and put it under my eyes. Then I'm using this golden shade over here and applying it to my lid. I'm just patting the color on my lid. I'm not putting it all over the lid, just in the inner half. Also a little bit in the inner corner. Then I'm taking this brush and applying the lighter brown shade and just kind of blend in the two colors. And in the crease. Then I'm putting a very thin layer of eyeliner. Then I'm using the black shade and an angled brush and go over the eyeliner. Then I'm using this shimmery shade and applying it in my inner corner and on my brow bone. For my Kajal, I'm using the Nykaa eyemBOLD Kajal and just applying it in my lower lash line. I'm also tight lining my eyes. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'm just applying it to my upper and lower lashes. I'm gonna put my lashes on and be right back. For the bronzer, I'm taking the Bahama Mama Bronzer and using this big fluffy brush. For the blush, I'm taking this blush from the Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten palette. It's in the shade Flush. Just going to put the blush on the cheeks. I'm using the highlighter from the same palette and applying it with this fan brush. Then I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. For the lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Mishti. I think I'm going to change my lip color. I do not like this color. I'm using the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Maharani. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.